Can you picture a life without pain, with clear skin, a sharp mind, and stable blood sugar? Now, what if I revealed that the key to this transformation isn't a pill or a trendy therapy, but lies in the diet of our ancestors? Welcome to Food Truth. In this video, we're challenging everything you thought you knew about nutrition. We'll explore a diet that's helping people conquer incurable diseases, shed stubborn weight, reverse diabetes, and even improve mental health. It's controversial, counterintuitive, and might be the most natural way of eating for humans. In the next few minutes, you'll discover why some doctors prescribe steaks instead of statins, and how embracing your inner carnivore could be the key to unlocking your best health ever. Are you ready to uncover the truth about food? Let's start with a quick history lesson. For over 2 million years, our ancestors were primarily hunters. Agriculture only emerged about 12,000 years ago. That means for 99.5% of our existence, humans relied heavily on animal foods. Our bodies, especially our digestive systems, evolved to process these foods efficiently. Did you know our stomach acid is as strong as a lion's? This adaptation allows us to break down animal proteins effectively and protect against potential pathogens in meat. It's just one of many signs that our bodies are well equipped to handle a meat-based diet. Interestingly, many anthropologists believe that it was the inclusion of nutrient-dense animal foods in our diet that allowed our brains to evolve and grow larger. This theory, known as the expensive tissue hypothesis, suggests that the energy-rich, easily digestible nutrients in meat enabled the development of our complex brains. So what exactly is the carnivore diet? At its core, it's beautifully simple. Eat only animal products. That means meat, fish, eggs, and for some, dairy. No plants, no supplements, just foods our ancestors would recognize. Proponents argue that this approach eliminates potential dietary triggers in plant foods, reduces inflammation, and provides all the nutrients our bodies need in their most bioavailable forms. It's an extreme version of low-carb and ketogenic diets, pushing the body into a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. While it might sound extreme, many people report feeling better than ever on this diet. They often experience improved energy levels, mental clarity, and reduced health issues. Of course, individual results can vary, and it's always essential to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. Now let's talk benefits. People following the carnivore diet report improvements in a wide range of conditions, many of which are notoriously difficult to treat with conventional methods. A 2021 Harvard survey of over 2,000 carnivore dieters found that 56% tried the diet to address autoimmune conditions. Of those, an astounding 89% reported improvement or resolution of their disorders. Take Brian Jaworski, for example. He had psoriasis and psoriatic arthritis and tried paleo and keto diets with limited success. After switching to the carnivore diet, he saw vast improvement within weeks. His energy levels improved. Pain in his joints decreased so much that he took up guitar and martial arts, and his skin cleared up. He even lost weight. Another remarkable case is that of Mikhaila Peterson, daughter of famous psychologist Dr. Jordan Peterson, who suffered from severe autoimmune disorders, including rheumatoid arthritis, since childhood. After adopting a carnivore diet, she reported a complete remission of her symptoms, including depression and anxiety. Dr. Peterson and his wife have followed the carnivore diet for 5 years. Also consider Sally, a longtime vegetarian who suffered from recurring kidney stones for years. After switching to a carnivore diet, her symptoms disappeared, and she hasn't experienced a kidney stone since. These aren't isolated cases. Thousands of people are sharing similar stories of transformation and healing, reporting improvements in conditions ranging from inflammatory bowel diseases to chronic fatigue syndrome. Now let's talk about something often overlooked in nutrition discussions: mental health. Dr. Georgia Ida, a Harvard-trained psychiatrist, has extensively researched the connection between diet and brain health. According to Dr. Ito, animal foods are rich in several nutrients crucial for brain health that are either absent from plant foods or poorly absorbed from them. These include vitamin B12, iron, zinc, and long-chain omega-3 fatty acids. Dr. Eid points out that vegan diets, which exclude all animal products, may increase the risk of nutrient deficiencies that can contribute to depression and mental health issues. For instance, low vitamin B12 levels have been linked to depression. This vitamin is only found naturally in animal foods. Dr. Ide suggests that the high-quality protein and healthy fats found in meat can help stabilize blood sugar and provide steady energy to the brain, thereby improving mood and cognitive function. Many carnivore diet followers report significant improvements in their mental health, including reduced anxiety, improved mood stability, and enhanced cognitive function. While more research is needed, these anecdotal reports align with what we know about the importance of animal-based nutrients for brain health. In this next part, we'll discuss a steadily worsening global health crisis: diabetes. According to the World Health Organization, the number of people with diabetes has risen from 108 million in 1980 to 422 million in 2014. Even more alarming, in 2019, diabetes and kidney disease due to diabetes caused an estimated 2 million deaths. Between 2000 and 2019, there was a 3% increase in age-standardized mortality rates from diabetes. In lower middle-income countries, the mortality rate due to diabetes increased 13%. In the United States alone, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention reports that over 37 million Americans have diabetes, and 96 million adults have prediabetes. That's nearly half of all U.S. adults. These conditions significantly increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, and premature death. But here's where the carnivore diet shows promise. Eliminating carbohydrates can significantly improve insulin sensitivity and blood sugar control. Dr. Ken Berry, a board-certified family physician and advocate for low-carb diets, has reported numerous cases of patients reversing prediabetes and even type 2 diabetes through carnivore and ketogenic diets. A 2019 study published in the Journal of Diabetes Therapy found that a very low carbohydrate diet, similar to the carnivore diet, allowed 94% of participants to reduce or eliminate their need for insulin medications. Moreover, the 2021 Harvard survey we mentioned earlier found that among participants with diabetes, 74% reported discontinuing all diabetes medications except metformin, and 84% reported discontinuing all insulin. These results suggest that the carnivore diet may be a powerful tool for managing and potentially reversing metabolic syndrome, prediabetes, and even type 2 diabetes. However, it is recommended to work closely with a healthcare provider if you're considering this approach, especially if you're currently on diabetes medications. In the next section, we will discuss one of the key benefits of the carnivore diet, which is the elimination of potentially toxic plant compounds. Let's talk about oxalates. These are found in many quote-unquote healthy plant foods like spinach, nuts, and sweet potatoes. For some people, high oxalate consumption can lead to kidney stones, joint pain, and even neurological symptoms. But it's not just oxalates. Other plant compounds like lectins, phytates, and goitrogens can cause issues for sensitive individuals. By removing these, many carnivore dieters report reduced inflammation, improved digestion, and better overall health. Remember, what's considered healthy for one person might be problematic for another. The carnivore diet offers a way to eliminate these potential triggers and see how your body responds. One common concern about the carnivore diet is nutritional adequacy. However, contrary to popular belief, animal foods are incredibly nutrient-dense. Organ meats, in particular, are nature's multivitamins. For example, did you know beef liver contains more vitamin C than apples? It's also rich in B vitamins, iron, and zinc. Muscle meats provide high-quality protein, essential fatty acids, and minerals like selenium and phosphorus. Even the much-maligned saturated fat found in animal products is being reconsidered by some researchers, with some studies suggesting it may not be as harmful as once thought, especially in the context of a low-carb diet. Food Truth will dedicate a whole video on saturated fat and cholesterol shortly. Please support the channel by subscribing. Of course, any major dietary change comes with considerations. It's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before starting, especially if you have existing health conditions. The carnivore diet is a significant departure from conventional nutritional advice and may not be suitable for everyone. Some people may experience temporary side effects as their bodies adapt, often called the keto flu. The long-term effects of completely eliminating plant foods are not yet fully understood. While many report feeling great on the diet, individual responses can vary. If you try it, it's essential to listen to your body and monitor your health closely. The carnivore diet challenges conventional wisdom, but it's rooted in our evolutionary past. Whether it's right for you or not, one thing is clear: understanding your body and what truly nourishes it is key to optimal health. From potentially reversing autoimmune conditions to managing diabetes and improving mental health, the carnivore diet offers a fascinating approach to nutrition that deserves further exploration and research. Here at Food Truth, we're committed to bringing you the latest insights on nutrition and health. If you find this video helpful or interesting, hit that like button and subscribe to Food Truth to support our channel so that we can bring you more cutting-edge health information. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Remember, your best health is just one bite away. Until next time, this is Food Truth, helping you uncover the real story behind what you eat.